Natalia, the first time that I ever laid eyes on you, I knew my life was going to change from that moment. When I looked at you, there was just this aura radiating around you, and I felt deep in my heart that God was telling me, that's the woman for you.
When we first met, I didn't know I would be standing here today, getting ready to become your wife. I've always known the kind of partner I wanted to share my life with, and I didn't know that would be you the day I saw you.
Scott and Natalia met each other at work. Scott asked Natalia out on a picnic and surprised her with flowers and white wine. They knew they were in love soon after that. And at their 2-year anniversary, Scott proposed to Natalia, and we know Natalia's answer. She said yes. That's what brings us here today.
Scott, you have shown me what it is like to be loved and utterly adored every second of every day. You have taken the dark parts of my life and turned them into light because you've shown me that love is infinite and it can take you all the places you wish to go.
We've come so far from where we started. It's been a long journey, but it's been a beautiful one. We've both grown individually, we've both grown as partners, and I promise to be the man that you deserve because you make me feel like a man.
You fill me with so much love and joy and compassion that I can't wait to share the light you give me throughout our marriage.
How do you feel?
I feel good.
Yeah, you feel good?
Yeah.
You excited?
I'm super excited.
You happy?
I'm super happy.
So am I.
Yeah?
You ready to do this?
Oh, I've been ready.
Under the moon, I'm watching you sleep, I'm driving you home in the night. Coriander and the dress that you wore.
You've made me feel things that no other woman ever has in my life, and you've made me realize that dreams do come true. So I promise from this day forward, I will always be by your side through thick and thin, no matter what. It's you and us to the very end.
I will love you, cherish you, nurture you, and always make you laugh through our new journey as husband and wife. Because not only are you my one true love, but you are also my best friend. I couldn't have done life without you. Mi amor, te quiero mucho.
Pulling the waves, passing you up in the night. Coriander and the things that we were, and whatever makes you feel right.
In the presence of this union, we come together to witness the joining of your two lives. For Natalia and Scott, out of the routine of ordinary life, the extraordinary has happened. They met each other, they fell in love, and are finalizing it with this celebration today. Now, while romance is fun, true love is something far, far more. It is Natalia and Scott's desire to love each other for life. That's why we celebrate.
I'd like to start off by saying a huge thank you to Scott. You've been so good to Natalia from the start and have brought a happiness to her like no other. Over the past couple of years, I've gotten the privilege to see just how much your relationship has grown and matured. How you treat Natalia is so important to me, and I'm grateful you've given her the best kind of love. You really are the kind of man that she deserves.
Natalia, from the moment you entered our lives, it was evident that your faith was equally strong, your kindness, your humility, and your genuine love for my son have been a blessing to our family. We are grateful for your presence and your shared commitment to faith.
Natalia came to me one day and said, "Grandpa, I met somebody." He said, "You did?" And then she said, "But he's Christian." I said, "Oh, you got my attention." I said, "I like him already." Because they were equally yoked, I love him even more. But when she told me that, it brought joy to my heart.
Well, I've been very, very proud of my son Scott, and I'm just as proud as my grandson Scotty, and I am thrilled with his choice of a bride.
We raised Natalia to be kind, independent, and to embrace everything that life has to offer. But we can only hope that she'd someday find her match who embodies all of that and more. Scott, I'm so happy to say that you're that person, and we're thrilled to welcome you to our family. If I had one place of advice for both of you, it's this. Whenever you are wrong, admit it. And whenever you're right, I learned this after 25 years, Scott, just shut up. I ask all you to join me in raising your glasses tonight for a lifetime of love. I'm so proud of both of you.